In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a backlog in ClickUp with ease. Whether you're new to ClickUp or simply looking to optimize your workflow, follow along as I walk you through this straightforward process. First things first, let's start by heading over to ClickUp. If you're not already familiar, ClickUp is a powerful and versatile project management tool that can help organize your tasks, projects, and even your entire life if you'd like. So open your browser of choice and navigate to the ClickUp website. It's always a good idea to log in with your credentials, and if you don't have an account yet, it's never too late to sign up and unleash the organizational potential that ClickUp offers. Now that you're in, we'll take a look at the left-hand sidebar where you'll find the Spaces tab. Think of Spaces almost like the digital rooms where your projects reside. Navigate over to your desired space. For our example, it could be something like Project Alpha or Team Operations. Right next to your space, you'll notice a plus sign, an invitation to add something new. Go ahead and click on that plus button. It's your gateway to creating a new list. Once you've clicked the plus sign, you'll want to select List. Lists in ClickUp are a fantastic way to organize related tasks, kind of like a supercharged to-do list tailored to your project management needs. When it prompts you, give your new list a meaningful and descriptive name. This could be something like development backlog or content pipeline, depending on the nature of your project or what you plan to keep track of in this list. Next, you'll see an option to use templates. This is a great feature for those who might feel overwhelmed starting from scratch or just want to save time and effort. Click on Use Templates and a search field will appear. In this search bar, type backlog and browse through the available templates that pop up. You're looking for a template that fits your needs, so feel free to check the details if necessary. Once you find the perfect match, simply click on it and then hit Use Template. This will automatically populate your list with a predefined structure that you can customize as you see fit. And just like that, you're all set up with a backlog in ClickUp. You can now start adding tasks, setting priorities, and adjusting as your project evolves. This setup is not just about getting organized, but also about maximizing productivity and ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. So there you have it, a quick and simple way to establish a backlog using ClickUp. Feel free to experiment and adjust your backlog as you dive deeper into the tool. Stay organized and keep your projects on track. That's all for today, and as always, thank you for watching.